Join us for the 7-day Unlock Miracles Prayer Challenge. Designed to ignite your faith and attract divine favor, this journey is all about powerful transformation. Each day, a new theme will guide our prayers and declarations, inviting miracles into our lives.
Storyblocks Audio.
Day 1 is about unlocking faith for the impossible. As Matthew 19, verse 26 reminds us, with God all things are possible. We begin our prayers, surrendering doubts and inviting the supernatural to manifest in our lives. On day 2, we focus on unlocking divine favor. Psalm 5, verse 12 speaks of God's blessings as a shield around us. We earnestly pray that favor finds us in every corner of our lives, unlocking miraculous opportunities. Day 3 focuses on unlocking healing and restoration. Joel 2:25 blesses us with the promise of restoration. Together, we embrace healing in all forms, emotional, physical, and spiritual, allowing peace to flow into our lives. On day 4, we pray for unlocking financial breakthrough. My God shall supply all your need. Through this, we release financial burdens and invite divine provision into our lives. Day 6 is about unlocking family blessings and peace. We unify in prayer to bless our households with love and harmony, claiming strength for every family member. Finally, on day 7, we celebrate the overflow of miracles. With gratitude in our hearts, we seal our prayers and rejoice in the testimonies of transformation.